Hi Hillcrest, I hope you're all okay and studying a little bit harder for your end of term assessments. We only have a few more weeks until the end of term and your December holidays, so hang on in there. This week's assembly is Diwali. Now, Diwali is not just about food and fireworks. Like other religious holidays, it too does have a deeper meaning, and we are fortunate to have Miss Chana and her students to explain Diwali to us a little bit more.
Good morning, Hillcrest. So, I have been assigned, as usual, for the last 4 or 5 years to do the Diwali assembly. So, first of all, I'd like to wish you all a happy Diwali to all those celebrating. I know the ones that don't celebrate do enjoy by having mithai and lighting some candles in their houses. So, happy Diwali to you as well. Of course, this year is a strange one due to COVID-19. Personally, as a family, what we've done this year is we have kept it quite low-key. The money that we would have spent on fireworks, I've told my children that we're going to donate some food, perhaps to the workers at home or to the workers at my husband's company. They're not too happy with that. We still bought pop-ups and sparklers. But actually, guys, Diwali is all about starting a new beginning. It's all about spreading love, spreading light, and kind of starting all over again. As a Sikh, which is what I am, we don't do the whole, we do go around giving gifts, but for us it's more about getting the house cleaned. That's a big deal for us. And just basically sharing some nice food together, and that's what we did on Saturday. I made a nice high tea, you'll see pictures of it later on. We lit some candles, did some sparklers, and that's what we did. However, I found a poem by one of my cousins, and I'd like to read this to you. So, here we go again. It's supposed to be a time of Zen. Make it noiseless, keep it clean, be kind to other beings. It marks a new beginning, a time for sharing and caring. You can be the pataka, which is a firework, without all the dhamaka, all the fuss. Happy Diwali. And then I found something else. You know, after wishing everybody Sal Mubarak, which is the Hindi version for saying Happy New Year, actually what we'd really like is stellar immunity against the coronavirus, the ability to hug our friends and family freely, have lots of social gatherings with lots of lovely food and drink, opening of borders so that we can travel, get back to seeing our families abroad, eat as much as you can so you never gain any weight. And I wish that all your days stay full with laughter and your glasses stay full with the finest wine. Happy Diwali to all of you. Lots of love.
Diwali di raat dive bali
Happy Diwali, Hillcrest. Diwali is the celebration of good over evil. It is also known as the Festival of Light. To celebrate Diwali, we decorate our homes with rangolis, we light candles, and we spend time with our loved ones. The day after Diwali is known as our New Year. On the Hindu calendar, it is the year 2076. So I hope this year brings you happiness and joy.
And there you have it, Diwali for you. And so on behalf of Hillcrest staff, we'd like to wish you all a happy Diwali. If you are celebrating Diwali, please do so cautiously. Don't forget your social distancing and your masks. Do not take off your mask unless you're eating those yummy sweets.